Hello, Earthlings. Hello, Doodles. Good evening again. Good morning. So, just a quick update for UCAR. 2 hours ago, before the open market, we features UCAR. So, let us review. So, this is my the video I have done, but there's no sound. I could not. So just check the diagrams or the arrow I'm prepared. So let's us play. So I see it here that UCAR. So there is a chance he will hit this gray area here. And it will pull back because of a bearish. See my diagram. See, I drew it and drew it and down. So let us check in the real time. So this is now what happened to UCAR. See? So if first it goes to 1.8, the same as what we have done. Then it goes back because if we go to 5 minutes time frame, so this is what he did. So ito yung ginawa ni UCAR. Kaya sabi ko dati na babagsak siya bearish. So I have warned you already and congratulations sa mga to those who bought, who buy this one and sell, take a profit. It's around 127. Unfortunately, ang problema, hindi ako nakabili. I didn't buy this because I don't have any buying power now. So that is why congratulations to everybody who took a profit. Because you cannot rely this one to stay high because this is, the company. So it is a pump and dump. So pump and dump lang yung ginawa nila, no? So nag-take profit kaagad ng mga din. Malaking pera na rin kasi, 100. That is 100,000. I mean 100% up. So, I have warned you. Again, don't forget to subscribe para naman kayo ay makabigyan ng ating payo. So, I can give so we will win together. I mean, excuse me with my English. Thank you very much. That's all. The quick update for UCAR, my friends. Yan lang po ang ating update. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Katir, shukran. Adios, mi amigos, mi amigas. Babus.